Hello! Welcome to my channel, Lucifer. Code with ease. Today's topic is dark mode toggle. Let's start with the HTML code. Let me select HTML language. This is the basic code for the HTML web page. Now let's add a label with a class name switch. Add an input tag with its type checkbox and ID input in this label tag. Also, add a span tag with a class name slider. This is it for the HTML code. Now let's run the code. As you can see, a normal checkbox is displayed on the screen. Now let's add style to it. Now let's start with CSS Code. Just select the CSS option and start adding style sheet. First, give the body a background color. Then add position absolute and top 50%, left 50%, and enter transform value as translate -50%. This will arrange every component in the center of the body. Now give attributes to the dark class with a dark background color. Now start with the switch. Add relative position and display it in inline block style. Add a width of 60 pixels and a height of 34 pixels. Now add attributes to switch after input as opacity 0, width 0, and height 0. Let's go further to the slider class. Then add position absolute, cursor pointer, top 0, left 0, right 0, bottom 0, background color and border radius of 34 pixels. Add a WebKit transition of 0.4 seconds and also a transition of the same time. Now add styling to slider class before any insertion. Give it an absolute position. Add content with null values. Assign a height of 26 pixels. Add same value to the width. Now give the left attribute value of 4 pixels. Add same value to the bottom. Now give 50% border radius and a white background color. Add a WebKit transition of 0.4 seconds and also a transition of the same time. Now add background color to input. Checked plus slider class. Input checked selects every checked input element. Now add box shadow to input. Focus plus slider class. Input focus selects the input element which has a focus. Now give attributes to input. Checked plus slider class. Before. Add a WebKit transform with translate X of 26 pixels. Add same value to MS, transform and transform. This is it for the CSS code. Now let's run the code. Now you can see changes occurred because of styling. S code. Select JavaScript language. Add an event listener to the input element. Now add an if conditional statement with the condition of document.body.className.index of the dark. This will check if the body is dark or not, and if not, it will add dark background. Now add an else block. This block will remove dark background if the body has a dark background. This is it for the JS code. Now let's run the code. This is the end product of the whole code. Enjoy the code. Do share this video with your friends. Check this out.